In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So at first, go to the settings, then find and select About Phone, and scroll down to the very bottom of the list. Here you will notice build number, and you need to click on it 7 times to unlock developer mode. Now enter your pattern or PIN code, whatever you have to unlock your device. And now you unlock developer mode. You can find it now under System, smoothly reach developer options, scroll down, and here you will notice automatic system updates. Mark it, and now it is active. So from now on your updates will be applied when device restarts. So that will be all. This is it. So you can smoothly, quickly and easily activate automatic updates. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.